Thinkorswim, one of the best parts about it is also one of the worst parts about it, and that is that it is so customizable, it can be hard for me to show you based on your layout because you could have it laid out any which way. But most of you should at least have some of the same tabs here. So you notice these tabs up here: monitor, trade, analyze, scan. You're going to click trade to place a trade. And then here in this little box, you can pull up whatever you're looking to trade. I was recently looking at snow, and click on the expiration date, which will drop down something like this. These are all the August expirations. Usually, if you don't see the strike over here that we're entering, it's because you need to go in your settings and open up more strikes, but typically you will because we're usually entering pretty close to the money, which are almost always here. Actually, it's right here. See, it says strikes 4. If you didn't see it, you might go to 10 and then see it opens up more. If for some reason you couldn't find the trade tab here or anything like that, the other option would be to click order gadget here as well. This just pops a pop out. We'll stick with snow because that's what we just put in. So we'll put snow here. And notice how it says underlying right here or spread right here. Underlying is going to buy the stock, which if you're not comfortable with options yet and you really want to try just buying the stock for a bit and holding it and then selling it, you can do that as well. But you click spread here. So if this is single, that means it's a single leg spread, which is also just a naked option, same thing. Anything with a single leg would be a naked. Make sure the quantity is where you want it. So starting off, you probably want to go like 1, especially with a bigger contract like this. Make sure you're buying it, not selling it. And then limit price, this would be the price that you want to get filled at. So if I'm entering, let's say the last one I said I entered, it was trading around like 745 when I entered it. Let's say you wanted to get filled at the same price as me. Put 745 here. Find the best exchange. Time of force today is good. Confirm and send. This is telling me it's a simulation because I'm not on my real account. If you want to turn this on, it'll turn on auto send where you won't review this, which I typically would, but it's up to you. Everything here looks good to me. Max loss is the price of the contract that it's getting filled at. And send it. Rejected. Your buying power will be below 0. So I probably had it on the wrong account or something. But or maybe I don't have money in my fake account here, whatever I'm using. Either way, you get the point. Everything's still the same. You would get a little notification like that if something's wrong. You'll get a little bloop bloop notification as well if everything goes right. Maybe you're not ready to place a trade. You need to wait for funds to settle, and they should be there any minute now. It's safe for later if you need to, or save that way. But pretty cut and dry, pretty simple. If you got any questions, feel free to let me know. I hope this helps. And